I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg bagels. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need high-protein flour, fresh eggs, and active dry yeast. The water temperature is crucial for yeast activation, so aim for around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Precise measurements are key to achieving that perfect bagel texture. We'll combine these carefully to start our dough on the right path. Get ready for some delicious baking. Now let's get our hands dirty. Combine your wet and dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Next, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 10 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture that springs back when poked. Once kneaded, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it doubles in size. This first rise is essential for flavor development. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough and divide it into equal portions. Aim for 12 to 16 pieces, depending on your desired bagel size. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb or a dowel to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly. Arrange your shaped bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cover them loosely and let them rest for a brief second rise. This step prepares them for their crucial boil. The moment of truth. Gently drop your bagels into simmering water, adding a touch of malt syrup or baking soda for that classic chew. Boil them for 1 to 2 minutes per side, then drain well. Transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade egg bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.